Auxiliary power unit on. Number 1. Number 2. Flaps extended. Ground requesting the fuel truck, flight 266.
Ok, Captain.
Tower requesting permission to take off, Boeing 787, flight 266.
HCF 571, you can take off from the first runway.
Roger. Gate requesting pushback, flight 266.
Ok, Captain.
Ground requesting permission to taxi, Boeing 787, flight 266.
Okay, Captain, now you can start the taxi. Have a nice flight.
Roger. Cabin attendants, please take your position ready for takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We are about to take off, so I would just like to remind you to fasten your seatbelts, make sure your seats are in the upright position, and that your tables are correctly folded away. I hope you enjoy the flight.
Santa Monica Northwest 239.
8160.
Over.
Landing gear checked.
First 339, expect direct Santa Monica, tune in the VOR and expect direct here momentarily. Depart the VOR, 8250 Victor ILS.
Tower requesting permission to land. Boeing 787, flight 266.
Captain, you can landing. Runway is ready.
Roger. Flight attendants, take your position for landing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We will be landing shortly, so please make sure that your seat belts are fastened, your tables are folded away correctly, and that your seats are in their upright position. Thank you for flying with us, and I hope you will fly with us again. Landing gear checked.
American National 890, Cleveland Center. We've lost radio control.
Speed brakes deployed.
47. He's at your 5 o'clock, 15 miles opposite direction. 2000 above you. Could you please relay to him contact Indy Center now on 128.3. He's in distress. American National 890, Roger Cleveland. That's Indy Center on 128.3. Transcon 47 from American National 890, Cleveland request contact Indy Center now on 128.3. Transcon 47 from American National 890, how do you read?
10.
Cleveland Center, American National 890, no reply from Transcon 47. Do you have another frequency you want us to try on? We've lost radio control, Transcon 47. He's at 15 miles opposite direction. 2000 above.
645, contact coast mark 127.2.
Now on 128.3. He's in distress. American National 890, Roger Cleveland. That's Indy Center on 128.3. Transcon 7, Transcon 890. Transcon 890. Please, American National